Hi, everybody. We tend to think of English as being a very acquisitive language, constantly accumulating words. But in fact, we've lost hundreds, if not thousands of words over the course of the centuries. So today, my assistant, Aylin, and I are going to teach you not 5, but 11 medieval words. Some of these words are completely lost to the language. Some of them are hovering on the brink of extinction. And we're going to teach them to you through a conversation about the November midterm elections.
Professor Steiner, who are you going to vote for in November?
Definitely winking at Wall, because he is so handy and he's so long. And boy, does that guy know how to swing to get the votes out. What do you think?
I think he's a doff.
What?
And he's such a softie. What a pushover. He's so nesh.
Well, okay, well, what about Dame Agnes Skinner? Do you think she's a woman of the common people?
No, she snurteth.
I think she's concealing a hutter-mutter.
Yeah, she makes me want to balk.
What about Jeffrey Guile?
Oh, he's such a jangler. What about Pernell Puddinghart?
She is a pert and proud popinjay.
What are we going to do?
We're in a canker dort.